I bet you clicked on this video because you got some leaking gutters and you want to be able to fix them. Well, you came to the right place. I'm about to show you the 3 most common reasons your gutters leaks and how to fix it, then also when you just need to go ahead and replace those gutters. Okay, so believe it or not, the number one thing that causes gutter leaks is actually debris in your gutter. Now, this can be anything from, leaves and sticks that get down in here to old granules from shingles, which is what this is. What this does is interrupts the flow of water when it's raining going through the hole that's designed in your gutter system, go down through the downspout, and then of course out into your yard or your splash guards. Now, when this is all full, what's going to happen is the water's either going to be coming over the top, or it even can go back over into the gutter and then come up in your fascia and actually leak down, which is both things you do not want. That's what the whole gutter system's for. Even if you have gutter guards, a lot of times debris will actually get into your gutter system and actually clog it up. So the number one thing that you got to do is clean all this out. This includes the hole where it goes down to your downspout. Make sure that's clear. If you need to, take a stick or even a broom handle and stick down there. Make sure it's cleared out, and you can even run a hose right through your gutter system after you clean it out to make sure you get all the debris out. Okay, so on this gutter particularly, you can see it's loose, and so these nails that are actually up against here just need to be nailed in. Now, a lot of people think, oh wow, my gutters are messed up and I need to get new ones. Well, no you don't. You just need to make sure these are nailed in really well. These gutters in particular were running right down here, and they were also overflowing because the water was so bad. They were actually leaned over and they had debris in them. So this was kind of everything going on at once with these. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and nail these back in real quick. So all you're going to need is a hammer. Any standard hammer will work. And you're just going to line these up. So you're going to press this in. Make sure that's snug. This one's loose. All right, so now that we have all those nails all the way in, these gutters shouldn't leak anymore down the fascia, and they're not going to overflow now that the debris out of them, and also they're not sagging anymore. So again, the point of this video is to save you money so you don't have to call a gutter contractor or a roofing contractor to come out to your house and fix these. And if you're a roofer out there that is out selling roofing jobs, this is another way that you can help out the homeowner and fix their gutters without them having to get them replaced. So now that we have the gutters cleaned out, we've got the nails put back in, everything's snug. The last way that you actually could be having a leak in your gutter is if there's a hole or some type of penetration in your gutters. Now, we're gonna pretend that we've got a little cut right here. So what we're gonna do is, most of these can be repaired. Now, you can use some type of construction adhesive. What I recommend, if you can, is to find some type of outdoor silicone. And so all you're gonna do is use a caulking gun, install this. And guys, if you don't know how to use a caulking gun, that's no problem. We actually have a video on how to use a caulking gun if you're not familiar, or you can go to our website at digitalroofingcompany.com to look at this. And all you're gonna do is load this up in here. You're gonna go ahead and cut this open, start, and then you're just gonna put a bead right over the top of that hole, and if it's a crack, you're just gonna go all over the inside of it, and then also go ahead and do the outside. It's gonna take a little bit to dry, so make sure this is in dry condition whenever you're doing this, but it'll be sealed up within a day, and then you shouldn't have any more leaks. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I showed you the 3 most common reasons that your gutters are actually gonna be leaking, and then how to repair those. So guys, if that doesn't help and that doesn't work, you may want to go ahead and call a contractor to come out to your house so you have a professional take a look. And also, if your gutters are really high off the ground, never put yourself in a position where you're going to get hurt. Now guys, I would really appreciate if you like this video to give us a thumbs up. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe and go check out our website at digitalroofingcompany.com for more information. We believe at Digital Roofing Innovations that we're going to give you the best answers and the easiest way to do something, and we're going to use our modern approach with our traditional values to get the job done. Have a great day.